Guys, in this video I'm showing how the aftermarket tow hitch is installed on my 2015 RAV4. Basically, I'm gonna remove it and this will show you how to install it if you want to install one. So here's the removal procedure. So basically on the bottom, you have two bolts on the bottom. Looks simple, but you do have to remove the exhaust out of the way. And then on the other side, you can see it's a simple bolt-on installation. So I'm gonna take out the bolts on the other side and then come back to here and take these off. So first thing we need to do is to free up the exhaust from the rubber grommet. So we're trying to free the exhaust so we can move it out of the way. Now you can take out the bottom piece or the top piece. I think I'm gonna try the bottom piece because this will be easier to access. So shim it and then try to pull it. That. Be patient, just like so, and that's it. And then the exhaust is free, it's out of the way. And now we have full access to the bolt. You actually can see it. This is the first bolt, this is the second bolt. Right, so I have a longer extension now. Get this out of the way. Put it in. Okay, there we go. And the troublemaker bolt is free. Alright, the second one is easy. So I'm gonna reinstall the grommet. Installation is easier than removal. Just gotta push it in. So since I don't have a helper, I'm using a motorcycle jack to hold it. That way when we free it up, it doesn't fall down. And use the same tool to install it. Okay, wait.
Are you breaking Mama's car?
No, fixing it. Right, so now we can lower it. It's a good idea to lower it before attaching the exhaust, but it should be fine.